Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix your Vizio TV with a black and white screen. Now this recently just happened to me guys, and so I just want to go over a few solutions that work for me in order to make sure that I don't get that black and white screen again. Now the first thing that I did was that if I got the white and black screen, what I simply did was that I simply just followed my plug and I unplugged my Vizio TV. Now the key thing is here is that once you unplug your Vizio TV, you want to make sure that it's unplugged for about 1 minute, okay? So leave it unplugged for 1 minute and then replug it back in. Now in order to prevent your TV from getting that black and white screen again, you want to grab your Vizio TV remote and then click on the menu icon, which is this button right over here. Now on this display, you want to navigate to where it says System, so click on System, and then you want to click on Check for Updates. So by checking for updates, you'll make sure that your Vizio TV is up to date with the latest version. And then lastly, what you want to do is that if you continue to still get black and white screens on your Vizio TV, on this same menu, you can scroll down to where it says Reset and Admin. And what this is going to do is that it's going to reset your Vizio TV to its factory defaults, meaning that it's going to clear of any junk or unused apps that are currently on your TV. So there you have it guys, 3 solutions in order to actually fix your Vizio TV when a black and white screen appears. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Vizio TV with a black and white screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.